Hi, this is Ronnie, my little bungalow in the bush. I will give you some nice views tomorrow from the scene outside next to the river where there's all the animals, the fish and all the stuff and the nice scenery. But we'll just start off with what it looks like in the bush, in the bungalow in South Africa. As you can see, rather rudimentary. As you can see, rather rudimentary, no luxuries, because of electricity now and then. Uh, but nice, quiet, no traffic, can't hear the sound of a car, just bush, wild animals, and a very relaxing time. See you tomorrow.